is a full, like, this is a foundation. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. e.l.f. Cosmetics has a CC cream and we're gonna try it out today. This is the full coverage. That caught my attention right there. Full coverage. A full coverage CC cream. Like, how often do you even see that? But anyway, it's a full coverage natural finish CC cream and it has SPF 30. I purchased this on their website and I did it through their foundation finder. So if you don't know what shade you are, now I don't even know if this is gonna match, but if you don't know what shade you are, you can just do it through their foundation finder and just find whatever foundation you wear and it should tell you what color this would be for you. So I always choose either the Too Faced foundation or the Estee Lauder foundation. So I'm in the shade Chai in Too Faced and it told me that my shade would be 540. So we're about to see. I want to do like a little wear test with you guys. I don't want, let's see. It's 11:30. Ooh. I don't know if I'm going to have this on for a full 8 hours today. I'll try, but I'll definitely check back and let you guys, you know, see how the finish is going to look. So this is going to be quick. I'm not going to do any, like, I mean, y'all are going to see me do my makeup, but this is going to be a really quick, you know, testing a new CC cream type of video. Oh, I do have a new mascara from e.l.f. too. This is, it's called the Lash Out Loud Volumizing Mascara. We're not doing any lashes today, just mascara. A really simple look. I'll have everything that I'm using down below in the description, but let's dig into this. Let's squirt it on the hand. Come on. Come on. And y'all know I usually have my hair up, but I'm currently washing all of my hair bandanas. So I don't have a bandana to put on my head, but look at that. Let's see. Let's hope this works. Oh, wait, let me prime my skin. I'm already like getting ahead of myself. I'm gonna use the Rimmel London Stay Matte. I already put a SPF on my face earlier and I'm using the Bold and Brightening SPF, so I'm just gonna put a little bit of this primer on my T-zone. Dang, and I still gotta do my brows. I do my brows first too. Oh, and I'm gonna use another primer too. This is Huda Beauty Jelly. I usually do a matte primer on my T-zone, and then I can't do this with my hair like this. I might need to find a rubber band, but matte primer on my T-zone, hydrating primer around the perimeter because I do have combination skin. Okay, now we can apply this. Hopefully this is what it says it is, full coverage. So let's take it right here. Okay, I'm gonna have to put a little bit more because I'm already using all of it, but the color is literally spot on. Literally spot on. And the coverage, oh yeah, the coverage is there. The coverage is there. Okay, let me put some more. I think I squirted like 2 squirts. I'm gonna squirt about 2 more on my hand. And we're just gonna take this around my face. Look at that, y'all. Wow. I've never owned a CC cream that gives you this coverage. Yeah, this is, girl, this is a full, like, this is a foundation. Let me not speak too soon because I want to see it, like, I want to at least see how this is gonna wear throughout the day. But this coverage, the finish, looks so good. So good. Wow. Okay, let me blend my forehead. All right, now that it's blended, I want to make sure it's blended in really good before I go in with the rest of my makeup. But let's talk about this. My first impression, honestly, I was not expecting this at all. I was expecting this to be a really like, kind of like a tinted moisturizer. I was not expecting this to look like a foundation on my face. It gives great coverage. It gives a beautiful glow. So pretty much it just looks like skin, like a second layer of perfect skin. So let me kind of scoot up so y'all can see it better. So now let me do the rest of my face, but you guys can watch while I do my makeup, and I'll have everything that I'm using in the description. So we're finally done with the makeup. This is how it all turned out. I like it. I love how the overall complexion looks. So yeah, let me go about my day and see how it's gonna wear. I'm gonna try to check in throughout the day. I'll try to, I know I'm pretty bad at doing that, but I'll try to check in throughout the day. And then of course I'll come back later on this evening and show you guys how the face held up. So yeah, I'll see y'all later. All right, it is currently 2:45 and I want to come in here so y'all can see me in like right in front of the window in natural light. I actually forgot to put a clip of that in the beginning of the video. Well, in the review part. But yeah, this is how we are looking. I'm gonna check that one more time later on this evening. I've already been eating and drinking and stuff, so nothing's on my lips, but it's holding up pretty good. I think it's holding up pretty good. So yeah, this looks really good, y'all. I'm breaking out from the masks. But yeah, it looks pretty good. Okay, I will see y'all later on this evening. All right, y'all, final check-in. It's 6:57. So what do we think? Okay, there it goes. So you can see I am getting oily in the areas that I usually do, but it looks good. So I don't like the mascara. I don't know if y'all caught my expression when I was applying it in the video, but it didn't do anything to my lashes. This is one of those mascaras that I would have to wear a lash primer with, because it honestly, it didn't do anything to my lashes. Like, I had to get out the Pat McGrath mascara and kind of go over it, just so I can get at least a little bit of length. But this video is not about the mascara. I just wanted to kind of touch base on that really quick. Yeah, so the finish looks good. It held up. So would I recommend this CC cream? Absolutely. If you want a full coverage CC cream but it doesn't feel heavy on the skin, try this out. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to end really quickly because I'm starting to get hot in front of this light. It's dark outside and I have two lights on. I have my salt box and then my lamp right here. But yeah, so let me know what you guys think. Have you tried out this CC cream? Are you gonna try it out? Let me know. Let's talk about it down below in the comments. And that is it. I hope y'all enjoyed. If you did, give me a huge thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed if you're not subscribed already, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.